Welcome to Baby Cute. I'm so happy you're here. Let's have lots of fun together. Subscribe to Baby Cute. Yay! See you soon, friends.
Hey kids, come along, let's sing and play. In the jungle, it's a sunny day. Elephant blows bubbles so high. Monkey swings and touches the sky. Lion roars, but he's so sweet. Zebra dances to the beat.